In the previous Java tutorials, we learned how to create a button. We defined an action method for the button. When the button is pressed, a message is printed to the console. In this video, we will learn how to use the TextArea object. I will add a TextArea object to the window. I create an object from the JTextArea class. I set the size and position of the TextArea using the setBounds method. I add the TextArea to the window. A TextArea is an object very similar to a text field. You can add a border to the TextArea. I set the color and thickness of the border. You can change the size of the TextArea as you want. I decrease the height of the TextArea. I can specify a font for the TextArea. You can send the parameters you want to the font class. I will increase the font size a little bit. You can change the editability of the TextArea. I make the TextArea uneditable by sending false to the method. I send the value true to the method. I want the value entered in the TextArea object to be printed to the console. To do this, I can use the action listener method defined for the button. I can access the value entered into the TextArea using the getText method. The entered value will be printed to the console when the button is pressed. In this video, we learned how to use the TextArea. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.